Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Well, as you can see, I got the drawer fronts finished. Very happy with how they turned out. I've got the top cut to size. That'll be installed a little later. I've got some tweaks that I need to do for drawer operation, make sure they run smoothly, and then it'll be ready for finish. Let me show you what I did with the drawer fronts.
I used a level clamped to the bottom of the chest of drawers as a reference point for the first drawer front. It's very critical to get this in the exact spot, because then you can just use a spacer between each of the drawer fronts after that. I carefully laid out where I wanted to drill the holes for the screws. Even though you generally won't see it, I still wanted it to look neat. The first drawer front is installed. It should be smooth sailing from here. Each drawer front is basically a rinse and repeat. I get it put in the proper location, I clamp it, I drill the holes, and then I put in the screws. You can see here how I use a spacer between the two drawer fronts. That gets the proper alignment between drawer fronts, and then I use the level to align it on each side to make sure that they're even. Once I'm happy with the alignment, I use clamps to secure it in place. These smaller clamps are beneficial because they're easy to manipulate. Once I feel it's secure, I can pull it out and put larger clamps on to get deeper down into the drawer. Following the same process for each of the drawer fronts, they all get installed. As you can see, here is the final result. I'm very pleased. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.